Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today is options expiration day, monthly expiration. So, got a bunch of options expiring. Let's take a look. AMC, I've been rolling. Cost is about 50 bucks, so I'm in good position. Not sure it's going to make my 65, so I'm twisted up. I don't know what to do. I might wait till a little bit later in the day. So stay tuned and subscribe. See what I do with that. Now, ChargePoint has been doing awesome. Whoa. ChargePoint's way up now. Look at that. Yesterday it was under 32. Today it's over 33. That's an insane move. Wow. Okay. So in one day, I went from having to roll that option when I looked at it yesterday, and today, not so much. Wow, I guess the news that Ford was buying a charging company really pumping the stock. Wow, that's crazy. All right, maybe they'll get bought out by GM or by Tesla or who knows who. Go EV. Who knows? Interesting. All right, well, it looks like that stock is on a run. So, too bad I only have 400 shares. That's too bad. I wanted to get up to 1,000 shares before it started taking off, but at least I've got something. All right, let's keep going. Arcimoto. Coinbase? Okay, let's not talk about Coinbase. That thing's been a dog, but man, it's going to come back strong once Bitcoin comes back up. I think. I hope. Okay, Arcimoto. All right. These options don't expire till next month. So, nothing to do there. But they're in a good spot right now. Arcimoto's been on a little bit of a tear. So that's good. Too bad I don't have much in this account. Alright, Go EV. I have a little bit of Go EV. 600, and I'm almost to my 1,000 share bogey. So it looks like I don't have any options expiring, because that's a leap. So it's doing okay. Still needed to move higher. NKLA has been my bane ever since I got the thing. Alright, well, this is a continuing problem. I'm not sure I'd be able to roll the 55, but I'm going to try. Now let's try to roll this one first. This one should have expirations all over. So let's try to roll it out a month. Alright, see how that does. Not so good. A little bit longer. Still not good. Oh, this is not good. We're deep in the money. Let's go out to August. Ooh, that's good. Any chance I can... No way. $5. I can't do a diagonal. I always want to do that for a credit, but man, it's hard to do. Alright, so I'm going to roll this out to August. Man, I hate doing that. Wow, okay. I don't have much of a choice, otherwise I'm going to get stuck with it at 35, and I don't want to do that right now. NKLA doesn't have that good a story. Alright, it took it, so that's good. So now I have this 55. That's a hard pill to swallow. Alright, let's take a look. Luckily I only have one, not 10, or something stupid. Kept my position size small, which is important in these situations. You want to keep the position size small and limit your risk. Alright, let's roll out to August again. That seemed to work pretty well. Ooh, 35's it. Looks like 35 is the best I can do. That's not good. I'm gonna have to pay. That's not what I want to do. Okay. Well, I can go out further. I'm sure once they open up into leaps, probably January, they probably have a much higher Yeah, they go up to 55 again. Oh, wow, make a whole dollar. Oh, geez, for 6 months. It's not really worth it, is it? Wow. Alright, well, I'm not really sure what to do here. $100. It's not really gonna, it doesn't really please my Arourke. That's, basically nothing. Alright. Oh, man, this is tough. Alright, let's try it. Hate doing that. NKLA could go higher in the long term, but I don't know. Alright, let's keep going. Palantir. Ooh, June 18, Palantir. Hey, it's making up for some of my losses up there with NKLA. It's good. This Palantir, I'm at my 1,000 share bogey, so I think I'm good in this account. And it looks like we're up to 25.50, right at that inflection point. So if it goes higher, it could break higher. If it stays under 25.50 and hits that ceiling, it's not going to go above 25.50 for some time till we see some kind of breakout signals. I'll have to check my technical indicators. Check out my technical indicator videos. I don't remember exactly what it said, but I think it said it's going higher. I'll have to check it again next week, over the weekend, see what happens next week. But for now, I'm going to take my money and run. Run like the wind. Except for 29. That's not going to work out. 24 is going to work out beautifully. But 29 could be a problem. I'll see if we can roll it. Alright, I get $1. That's pretty darn good for... Oh wait, 30. That's the problem. Interesting. There's no 29. Jumps right up. Alright, let's roll it out a month. See what happens. Let's go to 28. Whoa, it's not working out. Back to 29. Wow. I mean, it's kind of in the money, but I mean, it's not super deep in the money. A few bucks. Wow. Not really worth it. I could just take the stock. I mean, I'm already... Alright, I want to see if I can get 45 cents. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm okay with taking the stock, I guess. And I'll have 1,100 shares of Palantir. It'll raise my cost basis. But I've already collected a pretty good premium, $5 on that thing. So I'm well within where I need to be profitable. So that's okay. You can see I got some leaps. Leaps I don't want to do anything right now. They're looking pretty good. They're way out there in January. So I'm okay with that. Alright, let's keep going. Ride. Ooh, Ride is really taking a hit. All that about not having enough money, potentially. Yeah, it's not good. So, it did really good for my calls. That's good. And the $10 puts that I have on there, looks like I'm going to ride them to max profit. Alright, so those calls and puts are good. The $13 put, I needed to do something with. I can either take the stock, it'll raise my cost basis, but I still like the stock. I don't think they're gone out of business. I think they're going to be able to get some additional money to do production. So, let's roll this out for a month or so. See what we got. Whoa, failed. Alright, let's go here. Alright, it reduces my risk. And I'm good with that. Let's try that. $162. I'll take that. Pretty good trade. Doing a little diagonal. Alright, did a diagonal down to 12.50 from 13. So I reduced my risk by $50 and also took in a credit. And I just took a little bit more time. So that's the ideal situation. If you're in the money, you roll out another month or so, roll out the option and roll it down and reduce your risk and still take in a credit. That's the best scenario you can hope for. All right, let's look at Ruth Chris Steakhouse. Awesome stock. I wish I would have had more. All right, but I did okay on it. Go out, check my other videos. $25 call. It's expiring, and it's basically worthless, so I'm just going to let it go. And I have a put. Might need to do something with that. And X. I would call it 23. I could roll that out as well. But I might want to just let that go. See what we get for credit. That's pretty good actually for a week. Wow. Oh, okay. Sold? Sold. Do that. Alright. This one. Wow. Okay. If I can do that, that'd be great. 40 cents. I'll take it. Alright, let's go back and look. That's now in July. And that's now in July. The only sticking point is this. Oh, no, it worked. Okay. It looks like that's it for today, guys. Let's take a look at our profit loss. We're still doing okay, even with that NKLA problem. The account looks pretty decent. Let's look at the total balance. Go back and check my other videos. You can calculate my profit loss, percent interest rate that I'm getting, and it looks pretty good. Total net worth 91. I like it. That's way up from where I was. So, be sure to subscribe and follow my options trading and wealth building techniques on my channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching.